customer came to me with a complaint that their check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the code P0500 Vehicle Speed Sensor A. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring the vehicle speed sensor parameter on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed the parameter was erratic, indicating a potential problem with the sensor or its circuit. Next, I visually inspected the vehicle speed sensor wiring harness and connector for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections, but everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for the presence of voltage and ground at the vehicle speed sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the sensor was receiving the correct electrical signals. To confirm the fault, I backprobed the vehicle speed sensor signal wire and monitored its output using a lab scope while performing another road test. The lab scope revealed that the sensor signal was erratic, further verifying that the sensor itself was faulty. The vehicle speed sensor is a critical component that measures the rotational speed of the wheels and sends this data to the engine control module ECM. The ECM uses this information to control various systems, such as transmission shifting, ABS, and cruise control. A malfunctioning speed sensor can cause erratic transmission behavior, impaired cruise control, and the check engine light to illuminate. To fix the issue, I replaced the faulty vehicle speed sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the diagnostic codes using the scan tool and performed another road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the speed sensor data was stable, and the check engine light remained off. This systematic approach allowed me to accurately identify and resolve the problem, restoring the vehicle to proper working condition.